Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I have someone right here with me. He said he can slap a soldier for $500. Guys, can you slap a soldier for $500?
Why not? I can slap the soldier, any soldier. Are you sure you can give me this money, right?
I will give you this $500 if you can actually slap a soldier. Can you? You know this place is very close to the barracks, so soldiers will they pass, then will they go. Are you sure you can do it?
Even if it's general, I repeat, general, I will slap him.
This guy said even if it is an army general, he can slap him because of $500. This guy, he get liver, and $500 is not a small money. You know what I'm saying now? For this country now, $500 is a lot of money. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
See, this game is at your own risk. If you slap a soldier, anything that happens afterwards, now you know.
No problem, bro. No problem.
Are you ready?
I'm ready, bro. I'm ready.
Guys, he said it. He said he is ready to face any consequences that is coming after his action of slapping a soldier. I know they deal. Guys, you ready?
Let's go there.
Because people like say your liver said on the cut.
No. Let's go there now.
You are game.
I'm with you, 100.
You don't know.
Let's have it. What's
this? I beg. Sir.
You shot him.
They use your full shot to play.
I beg. Now prank. I'm an actor. We are pranking you. I'm sorry. See, look at the camera over there. Camera is sitting over there. Wait now. Hey, I'm an actor. I said I'm an actor. Guy, you want to be an actor? I beg. Look at the camera over there. Please now. Guys, this prank is very crazy. I was telling the guy that I'm an actor. He's still God. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this prank. Let me know how you feel about this prank in the comment section. This prank is very, very crazy. That soldier man, that guy bad. So guys, I will see you on the other side. Guy, you are very, very brave. I love your spirit. I love your courage. See, here is your $500. I told you I'm gonna give you this money. See, guys, this thing where you do it, don't try it again. No, it's very, very risky. You dey hear me?
I don't hear, bro.
Guys, congratulations.
Thank you.
Nice one. So you see what I'm saying, guys? See, this prank is getting crazier. It's getting hotter.